In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to reset your wireless back to defaults for your HP Envy Photo 7200 printer series. We will use the control panel. So from the control panel, swipe down and go to Settings. Select Network Setup. Scroll until you see Restore Network Settings. At this prompt, select Yes to restore to the original network settings. You will see that the wireless LED is now blinking and the network defaults have been restored. So this is how you restore your network settings for your HP Envy Photo 7200 printer series.